Hello, my dear English learners, and welcome to day 3 of our Shadowing English Speaking Practice Challenge. I'm Sara, and I'm truly happy to see you here again. Showing up every day, even when you're tired, busy, or not in the mood, is the real secret to growth. And the fact that you're here today tells me something important. You care about your progress. You believe in your future, and you're not giving up. So from my heart, thank you for being here. If you haven't watched day 2 yet, you can pause this video, complete that session, and then come back. Every day of this challenge builds slowly and gently on the last one, and every small step you take matters. So, are you ready, my friend? Let's begin day 3 together. Before we start practicing, let's talk about why shadowing is such a powerful method. Shadowing is not just repeating words. It is training the entire English system inside your mind and body. Your ears listen, your brain processes, your mouth copies the sound. And slowly, you start sounding more natural, more clear, and more confident. Shadowing helps you improve pronunciation, rhythm, clarity, speaking speed, intonation, confidence. And now let me explain something very important. Intonation. Intonation is the music of English. It's the rise and fall of your voice. For example, when I say, "Are you ready?" my voice rises at the end. That music tells the listener that it's a question. When your intonation improves, your English sounds more natural, more like real conversation. And today, we will practice both sentences and intonation together. Learning English is not just about memorizing words. It is about building confidence, expressing yourself, and believing that your voice matters. Maybe you're learning English to pass IELTS, get a better job, study abroad, travel the world, communicate with people, or simply grow as a person. Whatever your reason is, I want you to know something. You can do this. You are capable. You are improving. And every minute you spend here is a gift to your future self. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are messages. They tell your brain, "Oh, this is new. Let's learn it." Babies don't learn by only listening. They try, fail, try again, fail again, and grow. And that is exactly what we're doing in this challenge. So be kind to yourself. Be patient with yourself. You're doing great. Before we start shadowing today's 15 sentences, take a moment to get comfortable. Sit in a relaxed position. Roll your shoulders gently. Maybe grab a cup of tea or coffee. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Feel your body relax. Feel your mind become calm. This is your moment, your English time. Are you ready? Let's begin. I will read each sentence slowly, clearly, and naturally. You will listen first. Then repeat after me, matching my rhythm, tone, and intonation. Let's begin. I speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. I speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. I speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going. My English gets better every day. My English gets better every day. My English gets better every day. Practice makes me stronger. Practice makes me stronger. Practice makes me stronger. I am learning with patience and dedication. I am learning with patience and dedication. I am learning with patience and dedication. Great job. You're doing amazing. Now let's continue. I trust myself and my progress. I trust myself and my progress. I trust myself and my progress. I listen carefully and speak with confidence. I listen carefully and speak with confidence. I listen carefully and speak with confidence. Small steps help me grow. Small steps help me grow. Small steps help me grow. I let go of fear and focus on learning. I let go of fear and focus on learning. I let go of fear and focus on learning. Every day, I improve a little more. Every day, I improve a little more. Every day, I improve a little more. You're doing beautifully. Take a small breath, and let's continue with the last 5 sentences. Speaking English feels easier every day. Speaking English feels easier every day. Speaking English feels easier every day. I am proud of my effort. I am proud of my effort. I am proud of my effort. I stay consistent even when it's hard. I stay consistent even when it's hard. I stay consistent even when it's hard. I believe in my English journey. I believe in my English journey. I believe in my English journey. My voice becomes clearer and stronger every day. My voice becomes clearer and stronger every day. My voice becomes clearer and stronger every day. Amazing work, my friend. You just completed 15 full shadowing sentences for day 3. This challenge is becoming more powerful every day, and you are becoming stronger, more confident, and more expressive in English. Give yourself a little smile or even a gentle pat on the shoulder because you're doing something truly valuable for your mind, your future, and your life. Remember, you can pause anytime. You can repeat anytime. This challenge moves at your pace, and your pace is enough. Just 10 minutes a day can change everything, and you did that today. Thank you for spending this time with me. I'm so proud of you, and I'm excited to see you tomorrow for day 4 of our Shadowing English Speaking Practice Challenge. If you enjoyed today's session and want more, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment if you're following the challenge. Your support helps this podcast grow and helps more learners around the world find these lessons. Keep listening, keep shadowing, keep growing. I believe in you. I'll see you in day 4. Take care, my friend.